Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, don't move around too much. Okay, I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So, first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. And here we have the heart rate icon. You can tap on it. And now you can tap on the play button right here to start the measurement. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, tap on the button. And after a couple of seconds, you should have your result. You can measure again by tapping on this button right here. And once you're done, press the upper button to go back. You can also scroll down in this widget to open the statistics. Basically, you have the graph for the whole day, and you have the highest, lowest, and also the results from the whole day. So if you have the continuous heart rate enabled on your watch, it will basically track your data through the whole day. Okay, and to enable the continuous heart rate, you can open the settings, tap on the custom, and here we have the continuous heart rate option. So if you disable it, your watch won't measure your heart rate automatically, and if you enable it, it will measure your heart rate automatically. Okay, and that's about it. Oh no, you can also open a widget. So basically, when you're on the watch face, you can swipe left on the screen a couple of times until you find the heart rate widget. And here you can also measure your heart rate and see the graph, basically. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.